Good morning, 5K. So this morning we're going to start with math meeting again. And I want you to tell me how many days there are in a week. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? There are 7. Yes, hold up 5 fingers on one hand and 2 fingers on the other hand and sing with me. Here we go. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome, my sweet. So yesterday was Monday. What day is today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Say, today is Tuesday. Yeah, you can whisper it. Say, today is Tuesday. Good job. All right, my sweet. Sometimes I have you say things in different voices or really loud, or I have you whisper it. How many months are there in a year? Do you know how many months? Don't tell me 7. That's 7 days in a week. There are 12. All right, I want you to stand up where you are. We're going to do our dance, and then we get to find out what our new month is, because that does not say August. Here we go. Months of the year. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Stay standing. We're going to do it one more time. I want you to sing and dance, and after you say August, I want you to listen to what you say next, because that's our month. What comes after August? Listen as you sing and as I sing. Sing with me, but pay attention. What comes after August? Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. You can have a seat. So what month did we say? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It is September. Can you say September? Say September. Awesome. Now, on September, what do you see? You see apples and worms, and they're reading books. So, boys and girls, what's happening is, for teachers, usually people think that teachers like to eat apples, so people bring teachers apples, and these are little bookworms. They're reading books and learning, because school starts in September too for some people. We're already in school. Now, I have no numbers up here. Well, yeah, because today is the first day of September. So if today is the first day of September, what number am I putting up here? If today is the first day, what number am I putting up? And you see something else right here. What number am I putting up? So I'm going to put this little piece of sticky tack right there. I'm putting up a 1. Today's the first day. Now I'm going to give you a clue about the shape. See if you can guess the shape. Here are the clues. It has 4 sides, and all of them are the same length. Do you know what shape that is? That has 4 sides and they're all exactly the same? It's a square. You see this cupcake with a candle on top. It's somebody's birthday in our class. And you know whose birthday it is? It's Kylan's birthday. So we are going to sing happy birthday to Kylan. You can sing with me if you would like. Her birthday is September 1st. She wouldn't say my birthday September 1 or 1th. She says 1st, September 1st. Let's sing happy birthday to Kylan. Sing with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kylan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sweet pea. All right, so I need you to help me write the date for Kylan's birthday. Now, this is a lot longer than August, so I'm going to need your help. I'm going to hold it so that you don't have the glare on it when the light shines and it makes it shiny and you can't see it. See that? So I'm going to hold it so that you can see it. What letter am I writing first in our month for September? I'm writing the letter S. Am I going to make uppercase or lowercase? That's going to be uppercase because it's the name of the month. It's important, so it needs a big letter. All right, so I'm going to make uppercase S. Curve forwards, curve backwards to the bottom. What letter says like egg, elephant? That's the letter E. So I'm going to start in the middle of the middle line and the bottom line. And I'm going to go over, up to the middle line, down to the bottom, and around. Sep. What letter says P? Yep. So I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to trace up my line. Trace, and then I'm going to give it a curve. And I got to tell you something. The letter P gets really, really sad if you make it look like the number 9. So you need to make sure that the circle is over here on the right side. If you put it over here on the left, then it looks like a number 9, and then it feels sad. Sep. What letter says T? Yeah, am I going to make that tail? No tails. All right. Another what? E. Yeah, September has a lot of E's. Over, up to the middle, down to the bottom, and around. Sep. M. My favorite letter. That's the letter M. Down. I trace up. Give it a bump. Trace up. Give it a bump. All right. Sep. M. B. What letter says B? Do not tell me D. This is a B. B comes down. I trace up to the middle, and then I go around to the bottom. Sep. M. B. These two letters together say An E and an R. ER says Say ER says ER says Great. So I'm going to make an E over, up to the middle, down to the bottom and around, and then R down, trace up, give it a little hook. We did our month. Say check. All right. After my month, I always need to write my date. The number of today is the number 1. September 1st. And then I need a cute little comma. Say cute little comma. Now, can you say it in a high-pitched voice, in a cute little voice? Say cute little comma. Perfect. There's my cute little comma. I have my month. Check. My date. Check. My comma. Check. And now I need my year. You got it. Now, I'm going to turn it up here so you can see. I'm not going to go up there and point because you can see it. What number goes first in my year? Look up there. You can do it when we're in school. I'm not going to always touch it. I'll point up there, and you should be looking. What number goes first? 2. Okay, look up there at my year on top of the months. After the 2 goes the number 0. Yep. It's great when you start learning where the things are, because then I don't have to get up there and point, because you just know and you can look and tell me. After the 0, the third number, first, second, third. What goes after the 0? Yeah, another 2. I hope you're talking to the computer, okay? I just don't want you to sit there and don't talk back to me, okay? I want you to talk back. Talk back to me on the computer, okay? When I ask you a question, I want you to answer it and talk back to me. What comes after the 2 up there? The 4th letter. 2, 0, 2, 0. You got it. All right, my sweets. I'm going to cap my marker. I want you to read the date with me. You were on the news, but you cannot say August. We're not in August anymore. We are in September. So say September. Say 1st. Here we go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is December 1st, 2020. Kiss your brain. Say, we did a good job. We did. All right, my sweets. I want you to watch me as I make this pattern. Are you ready? Here we go. Mrs. Barch, it doesn't look like a pattern. It is. It's an A, B, C pattern. A, B, C pattern. That means we have 3 different numbers. So, I want you to say this with me, and I want you to tell me what would go next. Ready, set, go. 1, 4, 5, 1. We're not just counting, so it wouldn't be 2. No, it's a pattern. 1, 4, 5, 1. If you don't know, look back at the other numbers. What came after a 1? Here's a 1, here's a 1. What comes next? What comes next? Yes, a 4. Down, slide right, and cut it in 2. What comes after 4? If you don't know, look. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4. If you don't know what comes after a 4, what came after the 4 over here? Yeah, a 5. Down and around and give it a hat. Now, you learned this in 4K, and you learned how to write letters under them, right? So, number 1, that was a new number, so we started with A. 4 is not the same as the number 1, so then we need a new letter, B. 5 is not the same as 4 or 1, so we need a totally new number, C. Oh, hey, we had a number 1 before. What letter went with number 1? A. Oh, we had a 4 before. What letter went with 4? B. Oh, we had a 5 before. What letter went with 5? C. Look, A, B, C. A, B, C. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. I want you to say the numbers with me. Ready, go. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Now I want you to say the letters with me. Ready, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. Look, we can do it with our body too. Okay, watch. I can go A, B, C. A, B, C. If you can't snap, just pretend. Nobody knows. That's what I tell my kids here. Do it with me. Clap, snap, tap. Clap, snap, tap. Say it with me. Ready, go. Clap, snap, tap. Clap, snap, tap. Now say A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. Good job. All right, my sweets. Now, we did our date. We did our pattern. Now we need to do how many days in school. So, my loves, if yesterday on Monday was day number 6, what number comes after 6? If you don't know, you can start counting from number 1. I'm going to give you time to think. After 6 comes 7. So if you were here, you would put up my number 7. We pick different children to help me every day do different parts. And if you were here, you'd write the date by yourself. We would help you spell. And then I'd take your picture by it, and I'd send it to your mom. So when we come back to school, we'll do that, okay? You'll write the date, and I'll take your picture and send it to your mom, and everybody will get a turn. Now, I can't just put the number 7 up there and be done. I need to add another cube to my tower, don't I? Because my tower needs to match my number, and right now it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. I need to put another one on the top. So my chimney goes up. I'm going to put a cube on the top. Now I have 7. But smart mathematicians always double check. Count with me. Start at the bottom. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to color my 7th square. If you were here, I'd say I need a careful colorer, because if you do a sloppy job, then maybe I won't pick you again, because this needs to look neat. So you come up here and color day number 7. Just 1 square, because we just added 1 more day. All right. But then I also need to write the number 7 on my days in school chart. A 7 is slide to the right and then slant down. Now we're going to do one more thing today. We're going to start the weather graph. If you were here, I would pick one of you to go be my weather helper, and you'd look out the window and you tell me what the weather's like. You tell all of us what the weather's like. Now, you're not here. And I would have to do it all by myself. So I looked at my phone. I can see what the weather will be like on Tuesday, because I'm doing this video actually on a Thursday. So I'm going to look at my phone, and it doesn't matter if I have the weather actually right of what happens outside, because it can change, right? But what I do want you to be able to do is read this graph, okay? Because I don't want you to miss out on learning how to do this when we would do it every day, and you would get the practice of reading a graph every day, because when you go to first grade, you're going to have to know how to do that, my sweets. So when we do the weather, we sing a song, and it goes like this. I think you've learned it in 4K, so sing with me if you know. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? So I took a peek outside my window over here, and I saw that today was a cloudy day. I'd have you predict. That means make a smart guess of what you think the weather is like today. So you would talk in a complete sentence, in a complete thought. You wouldn't just say sunny. You'd say, I predict it's sunny. That means I think it's sunny. Would you think it's snowing? No, that would be a silly answer. That wouldn't be a smart prediction. When you predict something, you're making a smart guess. So I wouldn't let you be silly, because I want you to make a smart guess. Now, my phone says that today is going to be cloudy. So I have a bag of all of the different weathers. And so I'm going to pull out my cloudy tag. I'm going to put a little sticky tack on the back. Now I have to match it. Here, let me pull you closer. Just like last week, when you did the shape sort, you put the circles by the circles, didn't you? That graph went side to side. This graph goes bottom to top. So if it's cloudy, can I put the cloudy tag right here by the sunny? No. I need to put the cloudy tag by the other cloudy. So I'm going to put this cloudy tag right here. Now I want you to look at the graph. Who has the most tags? Who has the most pictures? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy? Well, it is cloudy, because that's the only picture, the only tag we have up there. So you would say cloudy has the most. Say cloudy has the most. Good. Now who has the least? That means the littlest or the smallest amount. We have something that's called a tie, because it's not just one. Look, sunny, rainy, and snowy all have the least. They all have the smallest number because they have 0. They have no pictures. So sunny, rainy, and snowy have the least. Say sunny, rainy, snowy have the least. Sunny, rainy, snowy have the least. Good. Cloudy has the most, and they have the least. All right, my sweets, thank you for being such a good listener and helper during math meeting, and I'm glad that you were talking back to me on the computer. Great work. See you soon for the rest of our day.